Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the entropy as a function of temperature and pressure. So the entropy of a substance is a function of temperature and pressure. That is, S is equals to function of T and P. Take this as equation number 1. In this equation, S is entropy of a substance, F is function, and T is temperature, P is pressure. While differentiating the first equation, we get ds is equals to dou S upon dou T at constant pressure into dt plus dou S upon dou P at constant temperature into dP. So take this as equation number 2. Enthalpy is defined as H is equals to U plus PV. Take this as equation number 3. In this equation, H is enthalpy of the system, U is internal energy of the system, P is pressure, and V is volume. While differentiating this equation 3, we get dH is equals to du plus P dV plus V dP. Take this as equation number 4. At the same time, but Tds is equals to du plus P dV. So while substituting this in equation 4, we get dH, that is equals to Tds plus V dP. So take this as equation number 5. The enthalpy is a function of temperature and pressure. So enthalpy H is equals to function of temperature and pressure, T and P. So take this as equation number 6. While differentiating equation number 6, we get dH is equals to dou H divided by dou T at constant pressure into dt plus dou H upon dou P at constant temperature into dP. So take this as equation number 7. From equation 5 and equation 7, we get substituting the value of dH here in equation 7. So we get the value of dH is TdS. So TdS plus VdP is equals to dou H upon dou T at constant pressure into dt plus dou H upon dou P at constant temperature into dP. Take this as equation number 8. Now rearranging 8th equation means moving T plus VdP from left hand side to right hand side. So we get ds is equals to 1 by T into dou H upon dou T at constant pressure into dt plus dou H upon dou P at constant temperature minus V into 1 by T into dP. Take this as equation 9. So, the heat capacity at constant pressure, that is Cp, is equals to dou H upon dou T at constant pressure. So, while substituting this in ninth equation, we get ds is equals to, substituting the value of Cp here. So we get 1 by T into Cp into dt plus 1 by T into dou H upon dou P at constant temperature minus V into dP. Take this as equation number 10. Since equation 2 and 10 are identical, we can compare equation 2 and 10. So I have written equation 2 here, that is ds is equals to dou S upon dou T at constant pressure into dt plus dou S upon dou P at constant temperature into dP. So equation 10 is here, that is ds is equals to Cp by T into dt plus 1 by T into dou H upon dou P at constant temperature minus V into dP. So while comparing equation 2 and 10, we get this term, that is the first term of equation 2 and the first term of equation 10 is compared. So we get dou S upon dou T at constant pressure is equals to Cp by T. And then the second term of equation 2, that is dou S upon dou P at constant temperature, is compared to the second term of equation 10, that is 1 by T into dou H upon dou P at constant temperature minus V. So that's equals to dou S upon dou P at constant temperature is equals to 1 by T into dou H upon dou P at constant temperature minus V. This is the final equation. So from this we know that Cp by T is always positive for any substance. And while pressure is constant, that is at dP is equals to 0, the entropy of the substance will increase with increase in temperature. So that's all for this video. Thank you, friends.